COVID-19 cases continue to grow in Butler County. 8 people have tested positive for the virus. Reporter Courtney Francisco has been following Butler County's response since the first results came in last week. She also talked to a psychologist who explains the impact of isolation.
The Butler County General Health District is monitoring a total of 32 people in Butler County right now. 8 of those do have COVID-19. The other 24 unconfirmed right now. Doctors are monitoring them. They're all isolated in their homes. So I spoke to a psychologist about what that isolation can do to someone's mental health.
Ohio's governor says we are at war with an unseen enemy.
Folks are quite anxious about it.
Dr. Quentin Moss is a psychiatrist monitoring the effects of the isolation. He says people can experience mood changes and lack of sleep.
In our minds, we may start to play this game where we start to look 5 or 6 stages down the line of what's the worst that could happen to me.
You've heard health officials update the numbers. I called the health district because we are limiting who we come in contact with because of the contagion.
We have people checking in with them every single day, making sure that all of their needs are met. So that includes food, that includes a thermometer, cleaning materials.
State leaders said this afternoon, act as if you have it. Stay at home to slow the spread.
We want to make sure that we keep a regimented routine.
Work out, play with the kids in the yard, cook together, FaceTime your friends. I asked, how can we reduce anxiety in our children?
I think first having the dialogue with asking the child, what is it that you know? What do you know about this illness that's going around? And then reassuring the child that as an adult who's overseeing them, that you're taking all the necessary precautions to make them safe. We're doing the social distancing. We're washing our hands.
He says, tell the kids leaders are taking steps to slow the virus too. Butler County is installing remote sites for people who get a doctor's order to get a test.
But this should not be the overwhelming conversation that we're having with our children all the time, every day.
I reported to you last week that the Butler County General Health District was monitoring nearly 40 students from Miami that could have contracted the virus in another state. Those students were in quarantine for 2 weeks and showed no symptoms, so that case is closed. Reporting in Butler County, Courtney Francisco, WCPO 9 News.